Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Lelit Victoria Espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up, but first of all we're going to be testing the steam. As I wanted to test the steam first before we did a shot. As you can see, nice steady steam coming out of the machine, excellent pressure, working really great. Now we're gonna wait for the machine to cool off and reach 99 degrees, which will be the normal temperature for this room boiler. So for this machine we did a tune-up. We had to replace the shower screen, this one that you see right here. This one, as you can see, is completely clogged up with coffee. There was a big layer of coffee all around the entire group head. We were able to remove all that, deep clean it, and put it all back together. We replaced the shower screen. We also replaced this gasket, this gasket, as you can see, has a little group over here and is no longer a gasket, it's almost plastified completely. So this thing is cracking all over the place and it just needs to be replaced. It needed to be replaced. We replaced that and we descaled this machine completely. Also give it a little clean, and we had to tighten the bolts of the boiler as the boiler was leaking through here. There was a lot of water going out through here. We went inside, made sure everything was nice and tight, and then we tested out and we haven't seen any leakage or anything like that coming out from here. So the boilers, the screws of the boiler were loose. We just tied them up. Yeah, that's what we did. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing this machine out. And we're gonna see if I actually prepared this portafilter correctly. Nice and steady stream coming out of the machine. I could probably have tampered a little bit harder just to get that nice and steady coat. But even so, I was able to get a nice shot of espresso, good cream on the top, a little bit on the faster side. Need to be tampered a little more. You can kind of see I need to be tampered over here. But still we were able to get nice decent crema on the espresso shot. Nice flow coming out of the shower screen, working great. So there you have it, Lelit Victoria working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Subscribe, like, and share this video.